Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new vlog. ये vlog मेरे लिए बनाना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है because today is the start of a very important journey for me. And a journey was already in the making, but today is where I'm absolutely dialed in. I'll talk more about that in a second. अभी तक whatever you saw in the vlog, that is my daily routine. I wake up, I check my body weight, and then we all have a cup of chai in the house. Call me an uncle, but मेरा दिन चाय के बिना start नहीं होता. Then I had my breakfast, which was also my pre-workout meal. 6 whole eggs, 4 high protein breads. Now from the title you can see one thing that I want to get to sub 90 kgs body weight this year. That is my biggest goal that I want to achieve this year. And secondly, the first half of the title which I have titled Obsession, इसके पीछे एक छोटी सी बैक स्टोरी है which I want to share with all of you. Now जिन लोगों ने मेरा previous vlog देखा है, you must know that I have been talking to Saket, practicing with him, coaching him for 3x3 as well. And I started talking to him regularly sort of in the past couple of weeks only. And he is the person who pushed me back into cubing full throttle. उससे पहले मैं practice करता था but इतना seriously नहीं. And इसके पीछे भी एक बहुत बड़ा reason है. Now this is the time where I discuss the back story about the word obsession. Now when Saket and I started talking, he told me about this podcast of a cuber named Dylan Miller. I think जो cubers हैं उन्हें पता होगा Dylan Miller कौन है. He's a very very fast cuber in the US. And उस पॉडकास्ट में ही वॉज टेलिंग अबाउट हाउ ही ग्राइंडेड आउट 3x3 टू गेट फास्टर एट इट. एंड देन साकेत वॉज टेलिंग मी दैट ही ऑल्सो ग्राइंड्स 3x3 लाइक ही डज हंड्रेड्स ऑफ सॉल्व्स एवरी डे, एटलीस्ट एवरेज ऑफ 100 एवरी डे. एंड मैंने कभी किया नहीं. आई हैव नेवर ग्राइंडेड आउट अ 3x3 और एनी अदर इवेंट टू गेट फास्टर एट इट. आई यूज टू डू 5 सॉल्व्स, रीसेट द सेशन 5 सॉल्व्स, एंड आई यूज टू basically put myself in a situation where I'm in a competition. But I've never grinded out longer sessions like Saket has done, like Dylan has done. And Saket was discussing the idea of just grinding 3x3 to get fast at it, exactly like Dylan. And that idea was very very interesting to me. And then Saket ने एक चीज़ बोली that let's get obsessed with this. Let's get to the fastest speed possible. And वो लाइन मेरे दिमाग में तब से चल रही है, but just not only for cubing. जो obsession का idea है ना, that is very very important. If you're obsessed with the right things, you can be so far ahead in the life. But if you're obsessed with the wrong things, you'll just be behind everyone. Now, I don't want to call life a race, but it is very important that you get obsessed with the right things. And from that day onwards, I've been grinding 3x3 furiously every single day. I've been pushing at least 100 solves a day. Some days I've been doing 200 plus solves. And that idea I've kind of started to implement in my fitness journey as well. And also a couple of other things which I want to pick up. For example, I really want to learn a new instrument this year. I can play guitar decently, but I really wanted to pick up piano, drums, any other instrument. Now piano is something I will start learning from today. I'm going to record that journey as well. And again, the grind, the obsession with the grind is where it's at. Now coming to my fitness part of the video where I want to get to sub 90 kgs. You saw my body weight, it was 99 kilograms today. मेरा अभी lowest body weight in the past couple of months was 97, which was last week only. But recently I've had a very bad sleep, तो उससे थोड़ी bloating हो गई body में. My body weight shot up to 99 today, but I'll get it back down. And also I have not been really consistent with my diet. So this vlog will be the start of not only one thing, but 3 things. 1, being absolutely dialed in on the diet and fitness. 2, absolutely logged in for cubing. And 3, which I really wanted to do this year, is pick up a new thing to learn. Could have been anything, but I want to learn how to play piano. So we'll do that from today. So the lowest body weight that I hit, that was 85 kgs. I think I hit it in 2021. And then uske baad I kind of gained weight, then lost again, gained weight, lost again. And then 2024 के August तक I was starting to look very good again. I was around the same weight I am right now. But then उसके बाद I gained so much weight in the following 1 year. So August 2025 तक I was 115 kgs. And अभी तक जितना मैंने weight lose किया, that is just kind of rebuilding, picking up where I left off. And आज से I am going to start a new journey. अब से जो मैं करूँगा, that will actually make me see bigger changes in my body. So that is why I wanted to document this vlog, and I'll be vlogging regularly to keep that progress on a video as a diary. So yeah, the plan is to finish this coffee and then hit the gym. Today is a push day, which is one of my favorite days of the week. And in the gym, I've been lifting pretty heavy. It's all about the diet now. So I'll take you through the entire day, lifting, cubing and learning piano. Piano wala part, I want to figure out when I can do that today, but I will because it is something I really wanted to do. So yeah, let's hit the gym now. See you guys there. I'm ready for the gym. And again, push day. Let's kill it. तो सीन ये है कि जिस एनी टाइम में मैं जाता हूँ वो एरा साइड पे वो बंद है, तो यहाँ से दूसरा एनी टाइम लाइक 5 मिनट्स अवे है, तो आई विल गो देयर एंड ट्रेन देयर. ओके, आई एम इनसाइड द जिम. इट इज़ सेक्टर 104 वाला एनी टाइम फिटनेस. मैं 108 वाले में ट्रेन करता हूँ, बट हियर आई एम ऑल रेडी टू स्टार्ट माई वर्कआउट. पहले मैं 104 गया था, सॉरी 108, लेकिन वो जिम 3 दिन के लिए बंद है, तो मुझे 3 दिन यहाँ पे आना पड़ेगा ट्रेन करने के लिए. एंड दिस माइक आई एम ओनली यूजिंग इनसाइड द चेंजिंग / वॉशरूम. बाहर मेरे को बहुत ऑकवर्ड लगेगा क्योंकि जिम अलग है, तो वैसे ही ट्रेनिंग में थोड़ा सा हेजिटेशन होती है मुझे न्यू जिम्स में. बट लेट्स किल द वर्कआउट. आई विल रिकॉर्ड द वर्कआउट एंड डू अ वॉइस ओवर ऑन द वीडियोज़. सी यू गाइस इनसाइड.
But you hurt me so much that I had to leave you. Girl, I thought that you and I would be perfect together, but you hurt me so much that I had to leave you.
This is my current condition of the chest. I think this is a lot of fat, but also loose skin. It will take time to go away. So workout is over. It's going to be a long walk back home because मैं दूसरे जिम आया हूँ. I don't want to take an auto because I like walking. So we'll get back home, walk Leo, and then get to work. There is my gym. ऊपर. Good morning. Bro woke up from a nap. Now it's time to walk. ओके, लियो को वॉक करा दी मैंने अच्छे से. देन आई हैड सम फूड. आई हैड चिकन ब्रेस्ट, एंड उसी चिकन ब्रेस्ट का एक सैंडविच भी बनाया था मैंने. आई हैड दैट विद चाय एंड ऑल्सो हैड अ प्रोटीन बार. प्रीटी मच डन विद माई डिनर, बट आई माइट ईट 1 रोटी विद सब्जी रात में बिकॉज आई स्टिल हैव टू ईट अ बिट मोर टू गेट टू माई कैलोरीज. आई एम ईटिंग अराउंड 2300-2400 कैलोरीज, बट राइट नाउ आई एम एट 2000. कौन है? हु इज इट? सो एनीवे, लियो आ चुका है रूम में, एंड अभी मैं 1 घंटा या 1.5 घंटा 3x3 करूँगा. एवरेज ऑफ 100 मिनिमम, बट उससे ज़्यादा सॉल्व भी कर सकता हूँ. एंड देन आई विल टेक अ स्मॉल ब्रेक इन विच आई विल प्रॉब्ली रिकॉर्ड सम कॉन्टेंट फॉर माई स्टूडेंट्स, एंड देन आई विल सिट फॉर पियानो प्रैक्टिस. नाउ आई नो सम बेसिक पियानो कॉर्ड्स, बट इतने अच्छे से नहीं. माई हैंड्स आर काइंड ऑफ awkward on the keyboard, so I'm going to practice that today, maybe through a video. My brother knows a little bit, so I will take help from him. But I will for sure start, and I'll try to be consistent because consistency se hi you will see improvement in anything what you do. Obsession, guys. Remember, obsession talk. Right, Leo? You're obsessed with sleep, food, walk, and भाई को परेशान करना रात भर. अभी तो आप सो रहे हो, फिर रात में आप जाग जाते हो. Don't feel like setting up my tripod today, so I'm just going to use my stand which I use to give the classes, and I'm going to do my solves from this angle. You can see Leo now. He's very sleepy. So I'm using this GAN V100. Abhi I am still getting used to this cube. अरे खुल जा भाई, क्या फायदा हुआ जिम जाने का, खुल जा. ये बॉक्स से सुबह लेके भाग गया था, but I'm doing solves on this. I'll try to get used to it. The turning is very light on this cube. बहुत ज़्यादा ही हल्का क्यूब है ये, and very fast. But I did get good times on it. So अभी कुछ दिन इस पे practice करूँगा, but if this does not work, I still have my V10, which I haven't even unboxed. जानबूझ के I'll open this in the जो भी है competition वाले weekend पे खोलूँगा इसको. But doing solves on this, if I can get used to it, that will be great because the cube is nice. And also practicing on this timer now, game changer. I think I'm getting used to it now. It has a different feel when I touch the timer and the pad compared to the GAN one. So let's begin the average of 100 and maybe even more than that. I might do some 5x5 apart from 3x3. Let's go. First solve. Now I should probably warm up first. And for warming up, I just do slow turning solves. And I messed up. 779. I ended up doing 200 solves and finally dipped into sub 7 average of 100. I was not able to get it because of my cube, and now I was using the GAN V100. I was taking time to get used to it, and I am finally starting to. I'm not too happy with the average of 5 and 12. 25, 50 and 100 are okay, but I know I can improve all of this. So it's an everyday thing, obsessed, locked in, consistent. So क्यूबिंग करते करते पता ही नहीं चला कि 200 सॉल्व्स कर दिए. आई वॉज सपोज टू स्टॉप एट 100 or maybe like finish cubing by 9, but I kept on going and I kept on cubing till 9:35. Then 10 to 11 I had that session, and now I'm currently walking Leo and also completing my steps with him. I aim to always do 12 to 15,000 steps, but बीच में I got sick, तो उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब घर पे रेस्ट किया. तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू मोर देन 15,000. कल आई एंडेड अप डूइंग 13,000, बट आज आई एम होपिंग दैट आई टच 15 से ऊपर. बट सॉलिड डे इन टर्म्स ऑफ मूविंग, गेटिंग माई लिफ्ट इन, गेटिंग माई क्यूबिंग इन. आई हैव बिन एक्टिवली क्यूबिंग, एंड ये लास्ट टाइम मैंने 2023 में किया होगा इतना एक्टिवली क्यूब, एंड ऑल्सो 2024 के स्टार्टिंग में. Now I'm like fully back in practice, which feels really really good. अभी क्या प्लान है, ऊपर जाके I'll be getting my dinner in, and then उसके बाद I will sit for piano practice. Very excited to do it. I have already asked my brother to sit with me. He will help me with like the basics again because उनको आता है. And then after that I'll probably use a YouTube video to learn वहाँ से. गिटार ही मैंने भाई से सीखा था बेसिक्स, एंड देन उसके बाद YouTube से पिकअप किया था.
बट मैं इंटेंशनली नहीं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ.
ठीक है, बोल जो तुझे बोलना. इंट्रो कुछ
नहीं, इंट्रो. Everyone knows what we are doing now. We are learning piano basics.
Yes.
A new instrument. Another infinity stone.
If you are wondering आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है, ये रहा भाई पियानो.
Guys, don't think कुछ और नहीं बजा रहा हूँ.
भाई ये मेरे स्टूडियो में लगा हुआ है पियानो, तो ये थोड़ा लोअर हाइट पे है क्योंकि
आइडियल हाइट थोड़ी सी ऊपर होगी,
इधर होती है
ना.
हाँ, बट मेरा स्टूडियो में मेरे को सामान रखने के लिए नीचे करा हुआ है. ऐसे भी कर सकता तू, बट ये अटकेगा देख. बेसिक अभी इतना करेगा, आज तू यही करेगा पहले मेनली.
This is good enough for today. That was kind of fun, even though this is like the very basic thing that I've started doing. But anyway, I completed everything that I had to do today. Piano, cubing practice, sessions, content for students, content for myself, and on track for diet, and very solid session in the gym. Everything was perfect today, and can't wait to do it all over again tomorrow. Probably not going to vlog tomorrow, but maybe like in the coming week again. ये progress मैं दिखाता रहूँगा, every single thing I'm doing in my life. So stay on कह रहा हूँ. Stay tuned for the coming vlogs, and also checking out my progress in everything I'm doing. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.